All right then, so now we have to implement this search filter option. So to do that, what we have to do is let's jump into the home screen. This is the place where we do have that input, the input option, sorry. All right, so here we go, we have that input field, and this is the function which handle that text, everything, whatever we are typing over there, that text will be collected from here and updated to the state. All right, so based on this text, what I need to do is I need to filter the feeds. So that's what we need to do. So I'm going to console log over here, console log, and I'm going to say filtered data, comma. So from the feeds, we do have the feeds. Inside these feeds, we do have the object called feeds again, and inside this feeds object only we do have the array of objects, right? So I'm going to filter those objects using the filter method. Basically, this filter method will return an array, a new array, okay, which matches the terms whatever we are applying it on the conditions. So I need to get the item one by one. So in that, the item title, the title of that item should include whatever the term I'm searching for. Should includes is a method which helps you to make sure that terms whatever you're looking for, which is comes in this particular field, right? So I'm searching for that text, whatever I'm writing over here, that will be returned, that will be stored in this particular state. We are trying to figure it out whether this text included in this particular title of that item or not. If it is included, then this filter method will return it as a new array. So that's what we are trying to do now. So let's save these changes and let's open the console log. Right now it's returning the complete object. So over here, let me search for any specific product. So I'm searching for Rosa, and there you can able to figure it out what exact project. See, this is the you can check out the last console log over here. It's giving the title exactly what I'm looking for. So where is the title? Description is there, ID is there, BZ image there, title. See, this is the title, Rosa. All right, so now the search that indexes whatever we are looking for, it's working perfectly as it's supposed to be. So let me delete this, and now you can see it's returning the array of objects over there. So instead of console log it, instead of logging it, I'm going to create a one more state over here. So let's say use state. I'm going to say name it as a filtered, and initially it's going to be null. Okay, then I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to change this console log into set filtered. So that will update that data into this state. So now I need to supply the state, the place where we are supplying the feeds. So this is the place where we are supplying. So I need to write the condition over here. If I do have the filtered, if I do have the, what's that state name? Okay, so this is supposed to be F small letter. My bad, my mistake. So if we do have that state filtered, or if the filtered state dot length, if that length is greater than 0, that means something we do have inside that array. If I do have, then I need to send this data as a feeds, or else I need to send this. So if there is nothing to be get filtered, if this is null or empty, so it will simply shows the overall feeds. If I do have something, it will display that filter record. Save the changes. And now if I'm searching for anything over here, so let's say if I'm searching for any specific product, you can see now the entire data is being filtered. If I'm looking for any specific product, I can able to see that. If I leave any space or if I'm typing something, it simply displays that activity indicator and along with the text called no data. So now our filter, it's really working smoothly as it's supposed to be, right? So the next part is we need to go to the individual product screen, which is exactly looking like this. So that's what we are about to do next. All right, so let's go ahead and do that stuff.